For decades, the American pickup truck was defined by utility, chrome, and the rumble of a heavy V8 engine. But the landscape of the automotive world is shifting, and the vehicle you see before you is the clearest evidence yet that the pickup truck has evolved into something far more sophisticated. This is the 2026 Ram 1500 Tungsten, a vehicle that aims to prove a truck can be a rugged workhorse, while simultaneously offering the refinement, technology, and sheer opulence of a flagship luxury sedan. Ram hasn't just updated a trim level, they have fundamentally re-engineered what a premium truck experience should feel like. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Ram 1500 Tungsten is its evolved presence. While it retains the muscular, broad-shouldered stance that Ram is known for, there is a newfound elegance in the details. The redesigned front fascia features a larger, more integrated grille with a unique tungsten-specific finish. The LED headlamps are sleeker, featuring an intricate lighting animation that greets the driver as they approach. Moving along the side, the silhouette is clean and aerodynamic, accented by massive 22-inch polished aluminum wheels that fill the arches perfectly. At the rear, the power multifunction tailgate provides unmatched versatility, while the new LED taillights give the truck a modern, high-tech signature. It is a design that doesn't scream for attention, but commands it through a sense of high-quality craftsmanship. Under the hood lies the most controversial and exciting change for the 2026 model year. The legendary HEMI 5.8 has retired, and in its place sits the future of American muscle, the 3.0-liter Hurricane high-output twin-turbo inline-six engine. Don't let the cylinder count fool you. This is a powerhouse. It produces a massive 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque, significantly outperforming the old V8 in both speed and efficiency. Paired with a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery is smooth, linear, and seemingly endless. Whether you are merging onto a highway or towing a heavy trailer, the Hurricane engine provides a level of effortless performance that makes the truck feel much lighter than its size suggests. However, the true masterpiece of the tungsten trim is found when you open the door. Ram has long been the leader in truck interiors, but the Tungsten takes it to a level previously unseen in this segment. The cabin is draped in premium indigo and sea salt quilted Nappa leather, covering almost every surface from the dashboard to the door panels. The headliner and pillars are finished in luxurious suede, creating an environment that feels more like a private jet than a pickup. The front seats are 24-way power adjustable, heated, ventilated, and feature a world-class massage function that can rival the best luxury cars from Europe. Technology is woven into every inch of this interior. The 2026 model introduces a class-leading 14.5-inch portrait-style touchscreen running the latest Uconnect 5 system. It is faster, more intuitive, and sharper than ever before. But Ram didn't stop there. The passenger now gets their own 10.25-inch dedicated screen, allowing them to manage navigation, stream movies, or view the truck's external cameras without distracting the driver. For the audiophiles, the Tungsten comes standard with the Klipsch Reference Premiere audio system. With 23 speakers, including a high-performance 12-inch subwoofer and 1,228 watts of power, it is quite simply the best sound system ever fitted to a production pickup truck. On the road, the 2026 Ram 1500 continues to offer the best ride quality in its class, thanks to its sophisticated link coil rear suspension and available four-corner active-level air suspension. The system automatically adjusts the ride height for better aerodynamics at high speeds, more ground clearance for off-roading, or a lower entry height for easier loading. The cabin remains remarkably quiet, with active noise cancellation and acoustic glass filtering out the world outside. It is a driving experience that prioritizes comfort and composure, making long-distance journeys feel effortless. Safety and driver assistance have also reached new heights. The 2026 model features the hands-free active drive assist system, allowing for Level 2 plus autonomous driving on hundreds of thousands of miles of approved highways. The truck monitors the driver's attention while maintaining lane position and following distance, reducing fatigue during long hauls. Combined with a 360-degree surround view camera, an autonomous parking assistant, and a digital rear-view mirror, the Ram 1500 Tungsten is as smart as it is powerful. Ultimately, the 2026 Ram 1500 Tungsten represents the pinnacle of the American dream on wheels. It is a vehicle that refuses to compromise. It offers the towing and hauling capability required of a truck, the power and performance of a modern sports sedan, and an interior that redefines the meaning of luxury. While some may miss the sound of a V8, the sheer capability and refinement of the Hurricane engine and the Tungsten cabin quickly make a case for themselves. If you are looking for the absolute best that the truck world has to offer, the search likely ends here. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth look at the future of Ram. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more premium automotive content. We want to know your thoughts. Is the Tungsten worth the premium, or do you still prefer the classic V8? Leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next one.